Hello everyone. Welcome to Entertainment Public Relations class. The class is taught by me, Alexander V. Laskin, professor and director of the Masters of Science in Public Relations at Quinnipiac University. Here is our beautiful library at Quinnipiac campus. The Entertainment Public Relations class is taught in Summer 1 of 2021, and it is an elective for the Master of Science in Public Relations for both online program targeted at professionals and for the on-campus program targeted for students with less experience, perhaps even some with no experience who decided to get their master's degree right after their bachelor's degree. So first of all, I want to talk about the plan for the class. What is it we're going to be doing during the Summer 1 semester? Since it is a public relations class, we're going to start with the foundations of public relations. What is public relations? Since we are working on the assumption that entertainment public relations is a subset of public relations industry in general, we're going to focus on public relations industry as a whole first. And the reason we are doing it is because I believe that the foundational principles of public relations apply no matter what kind of public relations you are doing or what industry you are doing public relations, industry you are doing public relations in. And for some of you, this is the first class in the master's program at Quinnipiac. So this is PR Foundations will be new to you. Some of you been in the program already for some time and took previous classes and know about public relations. But again, I think an overview of the foundational principles of public relations not gonna hurt. And once we review the overall principles of public relations, we will focus on their application in the entertainment industry. And entertainment industry is a diverse industry in itself. There are many different subfields within the entertainment industry. Doing public relations for a blockbuster Hollywood movie is somewhat different than doing public relations for a music label or for a music artist, or doing public relations for a new game being released on Xbox and PlayStation, for example, or doing public relations in a fashion industry or in travel and tourism industry. There are place branding is a personal passion of mine. I taught several classes focused specifically on place branding, a subset of entertainment public relations, which in turn is subset of public relations in general, and some people would say subset of strategic communication in general if you want to be technical, but that's a completely different debate. So that's the idea for our class. We're going to start with the overall view of public relations as a profession, and then discuss how public relations principles apply in different subsets of entertainment public relations and different subfields of entertainment public relations. The book we're using in this class is Entertainment Public Relations, so that's easy to guess since it's exactly the name of the class. And this is a very good book. I like using this book. It's written by Carol Ames, who worked in the entertainment public relations field for over 20 years before she decided to, we can say, retire from the industry and become a college professor and write this book. And the reason I like using this book for this class is because it is laid out in the exact same way as I like teaching this class. It starts with the overall description of public relations and the foundational principles of public relations, definition of public relations. And then it goes into applying these foundational principles in different industries. So it talks about Hollywood, it talks about network television, it talks about sports public relations, music public relations, video gaming, and then tourism and travel at the very end. So it doesn't cover all of them. It doesn't talk about fashion, PR, for example, but it does hit many of the important industries. And then you can extrapolate this information yourself if you want to do research on some industries that are not covered here, like fashion PR, for example, and do your own research and apply the same foundational principles. So we will be relying on this book for this class. So make sure you order it in advance so that it is available for you when the class starts right away for the first week of the class. In addition to the textbook, you're also required to subscribe to 2 newsletters, daily newsletters, that provide insight of what's happening in the entertainment industry every day. So one of them is the Hollywood Reporter newsletter, and you can just Google Hollywood Reporter newsletter, and it will allow you to subscribe to this newsletter for free right on the website. And the second one is Billboard daily newsletter. The same way you can subscribe for this newsletter for free by just Googling Billboard daily newsletter. And that again allows you to stay in the know about what's happening in the industry. And using these 2 things, the textbook and the newsletter, allows us to learn the foundational principles and then apply them to what's happening in the industry on a daily basis. And this is what our assignments will look like for the semester. We're going to have 5 major components to the grade. Each of the component is 20% of the final grade, so easy to calculate. They're both equally important. And the first of the grade of final grade components is discussion. It's our weekly discussion every week. We are going to be taking the information we're getting from my lectures like this, the textbook readings assigned for this particular week, and we're going to apply them to what we see happening in the industry using those daily newsletters we are subscribing to. So we take the theory and we apply it and we discuss it. Every student is required to produce an original content post, and the details of the post are described in the syllabus that is posted in the Blackboard. Just look for the link called syllabus. And you are also required to comment on the posts of your classmates. So hence the discussion assignment. It's not just post your paper assignment, it is a discussion assignment. So you are graded not just on the quality of your original post and how well you are applying material from the textbook and my lectures to the current events, but also on how active you are in the discussion, processing information posted by your classmates, and also applying it to your own experience, to your own take on the readings and your own take on what you read in the daily newsletters related to the entertainment industry. So this is an important assignment, and we're doing it every single week. And I think we're going to learn a lot from this particular assignment. And your original post is due by the end of the day, Thursday. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to read the newsletters, 4 days to read newsletters, 4 days to read the assigned book chapters, 4 days to watch my lecture, and then you post your original content on the discussion forum. For each week I create a separate discussion forum on the Blackboard. And then you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. By the end of the day, Sunday, when the week ends, you have time to read and comment on the posts of your classmates and generate discussion. Of course, those are deadlines, so if original post is due by the end of the day Thursday, it doesn't mean that you can post it on Wednesday, Tuesday, even Monday. Everything is available in advance, so you don't have to wait till the last minute. You can go ahead and post the content in advance. Next assignment is a job question. I realize that not all of you may wish to have a job in the entertainment public relations industry, but at least I want you to know what entertainment public relations industry is, what it entails, what kind of skills, knowledge it requires, and what kind of positions are available in this particular industry. So as part of this assignment, you are required to research different vacancies available at this exact moment in the entertainment public relations industry, and I'm providing some information in the syllabus where you can look for these jobs. And once you identify jobs that might be interested to you, or the ones you think are the most relevant, it's up to you to pick them. I ask you to analyze them, analyze the key responsibilities, required qualifications, preferred qualifications, average salary and benefits, summarize all that information and write a paper about it. And then I want you to take it a step further and apply to one of these positions. You don't have to actually apply and submit your application materials, but I'm asking you to write an application. I'm asking you to write a cover letter as if you're applying for this particular job, and then attach your resume again as if you're applying to this particular job. So I want to see how you can use the information you gain from analyzing the posts to craft a perfect application, and hopefully I'll be able to provide you my feedback to make your future applications even more competitive, so you can get the job you actually desire, be in entertainment industry or in some other industry. There is no rule that you cannot actually apply for real. You can submit it to me on the Blackboard as an assignment, and you can actually submit it to the job, and then I would be really interested to hear your feedback about what was the end result of your application. Next is a meme assignment. You're actually asked to create a meme, and yes, it should be an original meme that you're going to create yourself. So this is assignment approximately at the time when we're studying TV and movies subfields. So you are creating a meme potentially for a movie or a TV show. It can be the existing one, the past one, or the upcoming one. And that should be a meme that the producers, the creators of the movie or TV show can actually use to promote this movie. And I'm talking about one of the most famous examples, Snakes on a Plane, the meme that got more popular than the movie itself. And I want you to think about what meme you can create for some movie or TV show that doesn't yet have a meme that you can use to promote this TV show. Office, if you're talking about the TV show examples, Office is the very popular with memes. I don't think they actually used any of them to promote their TV show, but the fans generated a lot of memes based on the content from The Office. And of course, memes nowadays becoming more and more important. There are stories now of meme creators from earlier years and current memes generating significant income based on the original memes using NFT, non-fungible tokens. This is another concept that is looking to really change the entertainment industry, revolutionize entertainment industry. And again, you're not required to make your meme into NFT or to even post your meme publicly online, although of course you can if you want to. You're required to submit it to me on the Blackboard for my review and grading. But if you choose to make it publicly available, you can do it. And then again, feel free to share your feedback with me. Then the fourth assignment of the class, also 20% of the final grade, is a case study. This is when we will be talking about the music industry. And I am providing you a case study related to the music industry. And your assignment is to read it and analyze it. You will have to describe what what's happening in that case studies, the specific strategies and tactics used, and then the outcome of all this, and then analyze why it worked, what did not work, and so on and so forth. So I'm asking you to apply the information you're learning from the book and from our lectures, from our class in general, to analyzing this particular case study. So again, you're not writing a new original case study, you're analyzing a case study provided to you. And then the final assignment is a campaign proposal. I'm asking you to actually design a public relations campaign related to the entertainment industry. And this is the final assignment. It's like a capstone for this particular class. It replaces the final exam because we don't have a final exam. It's a final project instead. So we will cover all the subfields of entertainment PR by that time. So you can choose what your campaign proposal should focus on. If you want to focus on movies, that's fine, on TV, on music, on fashion, on sports, on gaming, mobile gaming, Xbox gaming, computer gaming, whatever you want to do it. It's up to you. And as a campaign, you will follow the traditional process, public relations process, RPIE, as it's called by PRSA, Public Relations Society of America, Research, Planning, Implementation, Evaluation, and then the fifth additional step, stewardship. So I'm asking you to design the campaign following the steps, and I'm asking you to actually generate 5 original tactics. So it's not something that you can find on the internet, it's something that you create just for this campaign proposal, and 4 tactics are required. AP style news release, foundation of public relations, media relations, a meme, as it's gaining a lot of traction in the entertainment industry nowadays as a tactic, TikTok video, Instagram contest, and the 5th is a tactic of your choice, so you can do whatever else you're interested in. And again, it's described in the syllabus, so you can always go back and review all of that, and I'm available to answer any questions you may have about this, as well as I will be obviously with you on all our discussion forums and available to answer any questions via Zoom meeting or via email or however you want to contact me. So the layout of the class, we're going to start on May 10, and this is a preview module. So this is when the whole class will become available to you. You'll be able to watch the lectures, look at the assignments, review the syllabus, get the textbook, and then on May 17, the actual week 1 starts, and each week is a module, so week 1 means module 1. And then we have 7 week-long modules. They start on Monday morning, and they go through the end of the day Sunday. So these are the full 7-week modules. They're going to start on May 17, and then June 28th we're going to get into our final module, which is called usually final exam module, but we don't have an exam, we have a paper, so it's not really final exam module, just final module. And the final module different, the 7th module is different from the previous 6 because it ends on Friday end of the day, so it's not going to go all the way into the end of the day Sunday. It ends on Friday, so your final project is due on Friday of the final module number 7, and obviously it's also mentioned in the syllabus, and it's going to be emphasized on the Blackboard side. Just I want to highlight it again that it's due on Friday because I have to grade all of your submissions and give you final grade by Monday, so I need Saturday and Sunday to grade all of that, so that you are done with summer 1 semester, so that you can proceed. As soon as summer 1 semester ends, you start summer 2 semester, and you all assigned into different classes in summer 2 semester as well. So this is the layout of our class. This is how it is structured. Once again, the syllabus provides description of all the assignment. It provides the calendar, what are we going to be doing in each particular week. So I encourage you to refer to the syllabus if you not sure what to do when stuff is due and what assignment is what. And on the Blackboard side, It's organized into those 7 modules. So every week you will click on the appropriate module, and inside it there will be once again description of what is due in this particular module, what assignment is due, what readings are due, what you need to post on the discussion forum, and on the Blackboard as well there will be links to how to contact me if you have any questions that you can't find answers for in the syllabus or on the Blackboard. Then please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to guide you, obviously, in this class and help you figure out what's going on in this class. Okay, so welcome to Entertainment Public Relations Summer 1 2021, and I'm looking forward to discussing with you Entertainment Public Relations on our discussion forums.